Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these mince pie cupcakes. Let's begin. Before you get started on the recipe, don't forget to go ahead and line your muffin pan with cupcake cases and set it aside until you need it later on. So to make the cupcakes you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place all of your butter along with the brown sugar. Feel free to use light or brown, I'm using dark. Then your egg, followed by the dry ingredients, which is flour, baking powder and ground spices, then the dried fruit and just a dash of vanilla. Then mix this all together on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium high speed until everything is well combined and the fruit is fairly distributed throughout the cake batter. You may notice that the ingredients, once they're combined, the mixture becomes glossy, and this is completely normal. Feel free to add in a little bit of milk just to help with the consistency of the batter. You want it to be pretty easy to work with, you don't want it too stiff or too runny, so don't add too much. You can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this will just help to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and divide the cake batter between your cake cases. This recipe makes 6 cupcakes, so feel free to double, triple or however many times you need to use the recipe. Once you've filled all of your cake cases, you can then go ahead and place them into a preheated oven. All the baking times and temperatures will be on the blog post link below. So once you've got your Italian buttercream made, you'll just want to set a bit aside into a bowl and place in some cinnamon and just mix this in until it's fully incorporated. You might find it helpful to place the buttercream into a piping bag which has been fitted with your favourite nozzle. So here are what the cupcakes look like once they have been baked and fully cooled. You can then take a cupcake corer or an apple corer and core the centre out of the cupcakes, and you'll want to repeat this for all 6 of them. Don't worry about the cupcakes on the other side, we'll be using them in another recipe. Then you can go ahead and grab yourself a jar of mincemeat and just take a good teaspoon full amount and just place it into the centre, pushing it in so it's all in there. Now you can go ahead and start finishing the cupcakes. So grab your piping bag of buttercream and just pipe on a good swirl of buttercream. Feel free to pipe more or less on than I did, that's completely up to you. You'll want to do this for all 6 of your cupcakes, covering the mincemeat and almost the whole top of the cupcake. You want to be able to see a little bit but not too much. Then on top of each cupcake I just added a small amount of mincemeat, but again this is complete. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. And don't forget to check out the links in the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias, so don't forget to go and follow me over on them. But also I want to remind you that this is the first episode of Bakemas 2020, so this is my 5th Bakemas here on YouTube. And I can't wait to share some of the recipes I've been making and baking for you since August, so keep tuned as I'll be uploading every day during December. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.